Okay, C4 diff removal. I'm going to drop the whole rear diff, do all the bushings and that on it while I have it out, and rebuild it. You can see I just have my transmission supported already. I never actually got the C channel back in when I put the motor and transmission back in it. So that's just supported. That's already dropped off. Yeah, I'm not too sure what I'll have to do to get it out. Looks pretty straightforward. I know I dropped the diff out of my C5 a bunch of times. This looks a little more involved. But yeah, I'm going to tackle it right now. 3 hours later, it is out. The differential. It was a bit of a struggle. You can tell it's never been out in its 31 years. All the bushings are original. Pretty rough shape. You can tell it's a Dana 44, which the 4+3 cars and the ZF6 transmission cars had. The 2 bolts, not the one in the center. I left the axle or the half shafts in. I did not have an axle nut to take them off. Would have been a lot easier. I'm still going to have to take them out to put new U joints and everything else in it. I did find, you can see this, don't know how I didn't notice it before. This is bad. Never burned off any tires or anything. So it's got one heck of a wheel alignment in it to make it ride as good as it did. I think this might be bent as well. I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to be, but I'll check into that a little more. So more parts to order. I noticed my bushing kit is missing some of this stuff. So more bushings to order. Yeah, 3 hours later.